We're going to be putting together this fella, the adjustable steel welding table. Everything goes together with 13 millimeter. Leave it so it'll move. Bolts number 20, 50 millimeters long. So we're taking the bar and bolt number 17, putting this together like so for whatever reason. This is the screw that holds this to the table. I don't know. I do now have a welder, so maybe I will be doing some weldering. As you can see, boy, that's tiny. It's just a number 2 Phillips. This side is currently mounted solid, and this guy is a floppy son of a gun. So we're going to try and spin it upside down. One and two. Get them slightly on here. Finger tight. Do a spin around. And on this side, do a finger tight. Very nice. Okay, that's tight. We'll spin it around. Snap that up. Not too shabby. We'll rearrange and figure out where those go. The last bit we need to do to have this fella assembled, we've got these guys. Each side, all 4 sides, has threaded inserts designed to accept these guys with the floppy dog ear. Well, the floppy dog ear, so you can thread that in, Zippity zip, zip, zip. And we'll go on this one. Ooh, zippity zip, zip, zip. Tighten it down. That gives you a little lip. I don't know if I would trust it for squaring anything up, but let me get this tightened down on this side here. Get that screwed back in. You can do something with that. Zip, zip. Little doggy ear makes it not too bad for doing like a quick little spin. Will this table hold up to any sort of real heavy duty welding? I don't know about that, but it is kind of cool. There's little kind of detents in here and a shouldered washer that kind of keeps it in its place. Could use it for a multitude of things, perhaps not just the welding it was intended for.